I feel like just as a brick remains hidden in a skyscraper, UT will remain as a brick in my life throughout.
Most of the students have exam fear, so did I. But the problem was completely solved by giving test series of universal tutorials. I was so confident on the exam day that the answers automatically came into my mind.
Good thing was that these people, they keep on contacting us and they are giving feedback to us.
The vacation batch of UT was really helpful to me as it completed most of the portion before my school even started. Test series helped me a lot. The test series provided a good platform for me to judge myself.
UT helped me a lot to cope up with my studies. I got academically more strong.
I found UT very interesting. The teachers were fun to learn with.
And actually I stay abroad, so I was not here to, inspire him about his studies. But I thank UT for playing my part perfectly.